Okay, I got one more problem for you here that I want to solve for you. This one has no real world application to it. It's just, let's see if we can solve this abstract problem. We got these two proportions, 3x minus 1 over 5 and x over 2. Those are two proportions we're set equal to each other, and we want to solve them. Well, remember that we can use this cross multiplication rule, and we can take 5 and multiply it up there and the 2 and multiply it up there. So let's start by doing that. Let's just say 2 times 3x minus 1 is on the left side, and then we have 5 times x on the right side. Okay. Now we're going to use a little bit the railroad track method to solve this. I'm going to do 2 times 3x and then 2 times 1. That gets me 6x minus 2, and then the right side I still have 5x. Okay. So at this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract the 6x, get all the x's on one side, and then I got negative 2 is equal to negative x, negative 1x, but the same thing. And then we're going to get rid of this negative 1 by dividing by negative 1. Or you can just use kind of common sense. If this was negative and that's negative, when we know that this thing has to be the positive of this. But if we just didn't see that, that's okay. So we have x is equal to 2. Now what you need to do when you're solving proportions like this is you need to double check them unless you know something right off the bat. The reason I know I don't have to double check them is because there's no variable in the denominator. If there was an x down here or down here, you'd want to double check it, because if you plug this in to here, this might not turn out to be true. This might give you an undefined answer. And so let's just check it to make sure. Let's take this 2 and put it in here. So we have 3 times 2 minus 1 all over 5. Let's see if that's equal to 2 over 2. That's the 2 came from here, that. Okay? So 3 times 2 is 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. So we have 5 over 5 is equal to 2 over 2. Now looking at that right off the bat, you kind of know 5 over 5 is the same as 2 over 2. That's like having one whole pizza, this one split into 5 parts and this one split into 2 parts. But 5 divided by 5 is 1 and 2 divided by 2 is 1, and then we for surely confirmed it right there. So that's why you want it. You got to double check it, because it might not always check out for you. It might be an undefined one, and that's going to probably be on the test. One of them will probably be like that. So please keep your eyes open for that.